Well, good morning to all my YouTube peeps. I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and I did want to tell everybody about my Christmas sale. I always have my Christmas sale during the week of Christmas, so this year, it will be from December 21st, which is a Sunday, this Sunday, to the 27th, which would be Saturday. So if you order in that week, you can use the discount code, which I made very easy, Christmas. All in caps. Just Christmas. Um, and just to let everybody know where my coupon box is, I have people sometimes that will send me an email after they've placed their order and they ask me, I couldn't find a coupon box and could you please issue me the refund? And I always do it, but I just want to let you know that everything I do through PayPal, they charge me a fee. So even if I'm issuing a refund back, everything. Um, so if I send an invoice out, if I do, um, well, that's about it. But, all of my sales that come through PayPal, which is all of them, I get charged a fee. And then if somebody forgets they ordered something, and then they'll contact me and say, "Oh, I forgot to order this. Can you do this?" And so then they say, "Can you send me an invoice?" I'm like, "Could you just pay my PayPal account and I'll just tuck it in there?" Because I've already paid the fees already. Anyway, so the 21st to the 27th, Christmas, and the coupon box. It's very important. Next, I want to give a shout out to all my new affiliates. That would be Tim Watkins with Bass Resonator. If you go to his channel, you're going to most likely hear him singing, which is nice. He's got a very nice, beautiful voice. I don't think I've heard one video without hearing his singing. Anyway, so Tim Watkins with Bass Resonator. Christine Harper with Start Blooming. She's been with me the longest of these that I'm going to list. She does blooms, the flowers, She does a really good job. So you should check out her channel too. Next, there's Tammy Blaine. She's a sweet girl who always does a scripture at the beginning or inspirational reading at the beginning of her videos. I just love listening to that. Her channel is Epoxy That. And then we have Kristen Mulvaney. She's with APO Creations by Kristen. She's over in Kuwait. I love talking to her. We chat a lot. I really like her, and she's got she joins a lot of collaborations with doing special things. So, and then there's Tara Harlow. She's with Jaybird Resin. She cracks me up every time I watch her because she's just so funny. She really is. Um, she's so sweet, and she thinks she messed up, and she really didn't. So that always comes out in the end, though. She worries and worries, but in the end, it always comes out pretty. All of these affiliates have their own codes, and I do want to say that, and it's just not with me, this is with every company, that whenever somebody has a coupon code, that is how the company tracks what sales they brought to your business. So, a lot of times I can see one of my affiliates used one of my products, but they didn't use a code, and I can't, no. So my affiliate used a couple items out of my shop, and then somebody placed an order like an hour later using the same thing. So I know in my heart that they probably saw this person's video, can't be for sure because I have so many affiliates out there. Well, I mean, I have these 5, plus I have a couple that I still get orders in on that were with me before. So um, it's it's a real nice thing that you can do for a YouTuber is to use their affiliate code. I just recently, into Resin asked me to sign up to be an affiliate, and Resiners as well, and they sent me a nice um, G3 2-in-1 curator. Oh, I love that machine. So anyway, yes. So use their affiliate code so that everybody can know. Well, and why not? You get 10, 15, 20% off depending on what company it is. So, anyway, that's about it. But I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thank you. See ya.